Greetings from ilife India. First, you need to install the mobile application on your mobile phone. Then switch on the robot. Click on Add a robot, select the robot A9s. In the next page, click on Robot is already switched on and tap on Next. On the next page, wait for a few seconds and click on Next on the pop-up. Then press and hold the play button for 3 to 4 seconds. The robot will give a command. After that, in the mobile application, click on Starting Wi-Fi Pairing Mode and click on Next. In the next page, select your home Wi-Fi. It should be 2G or 4G network only. Then type your password and tap on Start Connecting. The Wi-Fi page will open. There you need to click on Settings. It will take you to the Wi-Fi page. Then select ADS Network. Then click on Confirm. And again you need to select your home Wi-Fi on the Wi-Fi page. Once it is connected, click on Save.